Hi everyone and welcome to another lesson of our maths. Place value within 20. Today we are looking at tens and ones. We looked at this before Christmas as well, so it's another recap. So you should be super duper right by the end of this lesson. But first let's have a starter. We're going to count forwards and backwards from 10 to 20. So first let's do shooting stars starting from 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And from 20, let's go back to 10. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Tap your heads, we're going to count backwards again. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. And let's do flashy hands from 10 to 20. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Super, let's move on. So we're going to have a recap then. This is where you do this at home in your head, in your book with the adult. So question number 1, what number is this? And this says 13. Point to the word 13. What does that number look like? Point to it on your number line or write it in your book. Super. Question number 2, count from 10 to 20. So we're going to count from 10 to 20, which we've just been practicing. Question number 3, can you spell 14? So we can see number 14, but can you write it as a word? Like question number 1, can you write the word 14? Give it a go, sound it out. Pause the video if you need a little bit more time. And question number 4, how many counters? We've got a 10 and we've got a 2. I want you to count on from 10 and tell me how many counters we've got. Right, looking at tens and ones then, okay, because in our teen numbers, in numbers 11 to 20, we have 2 digits. We have 2 numbers, which means 1 is the tens and the other represents the ones. So let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 sticks there equals to a pack of 10 there, okay? So 10 ones is equal to 110. So 10 ones there is equal to one lot of 10. Right, we've got a tens frame there. How many ones in that tens frame? 10. Well done, we've got 10 counters in that tens frame. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So those 10 ones equals that 110, okay? So 110 there, that full 110 tens frame. We've got 1 tens frame, that's full. So we've got one lot of 10 and that's equal to 10 little ones on their own, okay? Right, so this is 10 marbles. We can see it's in the shape of a tens frame and it looks full. So we've got 10 marbles there. And how many marbles have we got there? Well done, we've got 2 marbles. So what is 10 and 2? Count on from 10, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 marbles. Can you say that? There are 12 marbles, super. So 10 and 2 is 12. 1 10 and 2 ones. Another one. This again is how many marbles? 10. Well done. So this is 10 marbles. How many marbles on this side? Oh, 1 minute. Don't know what happened there. So we've got 10 marbles, sorry, and then how many marbles on this side? Count the yellow marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got 4 marbles there. So we've got 10 marbles and 4 marbles. So all together there are 14 marbles. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we're counting on from 10. 14 marbles. 1 10 and 4 ones is 14. Right, so again, we're looking at the ants and they're in tens frames again to help us. So how many tens frames are full? How many tens have we got? How many lots of 10? Just flashed up. 1 10. So we've got one lot of 10 there. We've got one tens frame that is full. So there's 1 10. How many ones? Count those ones on that side. Count those ants. How many ants in theirs? Super, 4. So we've got 1 10 and 4 ones. So all together we have got 14 ants, and we're just putting those two digits together, look. So we've got one lot of 10 and 4. 10 and 4 is 14. There are 14 ants. Let's have a look. So let's go again. We've got blocks in our tens frame this time. So how many tens have we got? How many lots of 10? How many tens frame have we got there? That is full. Super, we had one tens frame that is full. And how many blocks did we have on the other side? Count the red blocks for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got 1 10, one lot of 10, one stick of 10 there. And we have got 5 ones. So what is 1 10 and 5 ones all together? Let's count. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there are 15 blocks all together. 1 10 and 5 ones equals 15. There are 15 blocks. So now we're going to practice it again back with the straws. How many packs of 10 have we got? How many 10s have we got? We've got 1 10. Well done. We can see them all strapped up in a packet. We've got 1 10. And how many ones? Super, 3. 1, 2, 3. So we've got 1 10 and 3 ones. What is that all together? So 1 10 and 3 ones is equal to 13. Let's check. 10, 11, 12, 13. So 1 10 and 3 ones is 13. Let's have a look again. Now we've got our base 10. We've got our blocks here. So we've got 1 10, one stick of 10 there, 10 blocks. And we've got 6 ones. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or we could count those red blocks in twos. 2, 4, 6. So we've got 6 ones. So what is 1 10 and 6 ones? Let's count on. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 1 10 and 6 ones is equal to 16. Right, we've got some more then, starting at the top, starting with our straws. We've got 1 10 and how many ones? Count those ones for me. Should have counted 7. 1 10 and 7 ones is equal to 17. We're just putting those digits together. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we're just putting those numbers together. 1 10 and 7 ones. Right, let's look along the bottom. We have got a base 10 stick and we've got some ones. So how many base 10 have we got? We've got 1 stick of 10, well done. And how many ones? 4, well done. So what is 1 10 and 4 ones? Count them all together. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 1 10 and 4 ones is equal to 14. Right, so just a quick question then before you go on to your worksheet. That was a quick whiz through 10s and 1s, but you should be fairly confident with it. If not, replay this video and do some more examples from home. So true or false then? Is it right or is it wrong? All of the numbers between 11 and 20 are made up of 1 10 and some 1s. So they're asking that all the numbers between 10 and 20, so that's 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19, are they all made up of 1 10 and some 1s? Pause it if you need a lot of talking time. But the answer is yes, because all those numbers in between have a 10 and then they have a number next to them, don't they? And that number next to them are the 1s. So all of those numbers are made up of 1 10 and some 1s. So well done. Right, I'd like you to go in your work pack, get out your worksheet that says 10s and 1s and complete that worksheet for me. And look at your problem solving after that as well. You've got a problem solving sheet to look through as well. Well done for joining in, boys and girls. See you soon.